Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join new Chubby Chipmunk event and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. As we know that the new Chubby Chipmunk update has been dropped, and then here you can join the event. First of all, you can claim free chipmunk here, and then you can submit fruits to the nut acorns, and then you will trigger the Nutty Beaver after you reach this points. So you just need to submit all your fruits, any fruits, to the NPC, and it will give you points. And of course, the points will depend on the plant rarity. Okay, and then you can reach the points, and after that the Nutty Beaver will appear in the garden. And then guys, you can grow your chipmunk to claim reward here. I'm going to open the reward. Okay, after you reach 1.25 kilogram, you will get Nutty Chest, but this is the current weight of my chipmunk, so I still need to grow it to claim the reward.